As TMI celebrates 131 years of raising wiser human beings, our theme this year is Behold How Good It Is. That comes from Psalm 133 that says, Behold how good it is when brothers and sisters live together in unity. So one of the ways in which I've seen unity transform TMI this year is in our capital campaign. It's a bold initiative, $38 million in construction, all geared to bring our community back together in unity to form them and shape them for today's world.
I think something that makes TMI just unique and special is this community and this culture of giving and philanthropy. I think that's something that's very unique, whether it's the students giving their volunteer hours, parents volunteering. Stars Over TMI, it takes a wonderful group of people who really come in to make this Party with a Purpose just such a great event so that we can reach our goals and exceed our goals.
I would encourage all parents to get involved on campus. Attend a CEC meeting, go to open house, learn what's needed here on campus. That way you'll find out how the campus works, what's going on, and ways you can give back.
Another thing that I think is super unique is how much the alumni give and parents of alumni coming back to the event, coming back to volunteer for events, and that continuous culture of philanthropy and giving is just something that's very unique. I think it aligns with the tradition and the legacy that TMI has. We give TMI our most precious gift, which is our children.
The TMI community has helped me in a lot of ways, but I think the biggest one is definitely my faith. Father Ben has been a huge part of that. He's encouraged me to go to Camp Capers, to work there. He also encouraged me to go to Happening, which was such a good retreat for me because it definitely helped with my connection to God, and it just grew my faith with myself, and it also helped me grow my faith with others, and that was a big part of it.
TMI has really prepared me by offering such a melting pot of peoples and cultures here at TMI. One of my favorite things about going to school here is just walking across campus. You could be hearing anything from Chinese to Japanese to Spanish.
I've always felt a sense of belonging here at TMI because from the moment that I started here at TMI with my family, they've always welcomed me with open arms. I always found a place that I can fit in and volunteer, which I've always liked to do. To me, that has been a very, very important part of me being a part of the TMI community.
I believe that supporting through philanthropy is incredibly rewarding. So as a mom of a senior, my advice is just do it. Respond to an email, attend a game, every little bit counts, and you'll be surprised by the impact you will make.
Spirit of philanthropy certainly transforms TMI, but I also believe it transforms the giver. That's the type of community we want to create here. One that people are proud to be a part of, and they see where their generosity of their time, talent, and treasures is changing the community, and in the meantime, changing the giver. That's not possible without the greater TMI community coming together. We have so many generous donors who have come together because they believe in the vision of TMI. I'm so thankful to those who've chosen to make TMI a place where they give back.
Cheers to 30 years.
Cheers to 30 years.
Cheers to 30 years.
Cheers to 30 years.
Stars Over TMI. Cheers to 30 years.